Alright, hello everyone. We're going to go ahead and download Notepad and get going with getting that application installed. Notepad++, sorry I meant to say Notepad++, is the text editor that we'll be using for the course. So I'm going to bring up a new tab and I'm just going to search in the Google search field on the word Notepad++, and you can see that I've recently done that, so it came up quickly. Notepad++ and the two plus symbols, and the first hit is notepad++.org, which is actually the one I'm going to go to. Notice that you can get it from other sources as well, like download.cnet.com, which I've used before also. So I'm going to bring up Notepad++. This is their home page, and I'm going to go straight to the current version 6.5, which is the one I want. I'm just going to go ahead and grab that one. So I'm going to click download. And I always like to try to read and make sure that I'm not downloading something extra. Every once in a while the free downloads like to give you a toolbar or something. These guys don't do that. They do give you an option to try it online, but I've used this before, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the download button. So using Chrome, this is the way the download happens. It just occurs in a minimized area of the bottom of the browser. I can see that it's 7.2 megabytes and it's working away here. Okay, now that it's completely downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and I think in this case I'm just going to go ahead and open it, and it will launch the executable. See, it's a .exe. It downloaded to my download folder, so I could have opened it up in the folder and seen it there as well. So the exe file that downloaded is in my downloads folder on my Windows machine. English is the language I want, so I'm going to go ahead and accept the license agreement, and I'm going to allow it to install in the default location. And I have explored all of these. You guys are welcome to do that if you want to. I typically will just accept the defaults unless I know more about the application. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and accept all the default checks. I'm not going to select any of these components. These mostly are for if you want to run this from, say, your thumb drive. You don't have to actually install it on your Windows computer. You can run it as a portable app. I'm going to go ahead and install it on my Windows machine though. Alright, now that the install is complete, I can click Finish. Notice I have the checkbox for Run Notepad. I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll bring up the interface. I'm going to do a separate video for how to configure Notepad++ to talk to our CIS2 server so that we can start managing our files in our home directories. And here is the application in its basically its initial launch mode, which brings up a text file by default because this is the first time I've run it, and it shows all of the changes since the last version. If you've not used it before, you can read through these. They won't mean a whole lot, but it's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and close it, and notice that I have a new blank document ready to go. The next step, like I said, will be to configure Notepad so that we can use it as an FTP client.